Okay, you all, this is first grade, Module 2, Lesson 21, homework for Engage New York Math. All right, so it says, Olivia and Jake both solved the word problems. Write the strategy used under their work. Check their work. If incorrect, solve correctly. If solved correctly, solve using a different strategy. All right, so here are the strategy choices. Take from 10, make 10. Remember I said make 10 is usually when we're adding. Take from 10 is subtracting. Count on, or I just knew. So, a fruit bowl has 13 apples. Mike ate 6 apples from the fruit bowl. How many apples were left? All right, here's Olivia's work and here's Jake's work. Olivia decomposed 13. There's my 10 and there's my 3. And then remember, they did theirs backwards. I always put mine closest. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Oh, I see that they wrote 4 as the answer, but they forgot to add the 3 in. So it's supposed to be 4 plus 3 equals 7. So I already see that Olivia's work is not right. All right, so the strategy she used was take from 10, but she used it in the wrong way. So we're going to write take from, sorry about my handwriting, 10. And then we're going to take from 10 the correct way. Remember, they say if it's incorrect, to correct it. So 13 minus 6 equals 4. Not 4, as she wrote 4. 13 minus 6 equals something. And I already told you the answer before. Decompose 13. Remember, I do mine backwards. So 3 plus 10 because it's closer. 10 minus 6 equals 4. And then 4 plus the 3 equals 7. So I know that 13 minus 6 equals 7. All right. Now the next one is an addition sentence. So I know that the strategy they used was make 10. And there it is. 6 plus something equals 13. There they are. They circled 6 plus 4 is 10. So their strategy was make 10. All right, and then it's 10 plus 3 equals 13. So the answer is right there, and the question mark means that the answer is 7. So what it's saying is I can put a 7 here in the place of the question mark, and that means that 4 plus 3 equals 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's correct. So down here, it says if it is correct, if solved correctly, solve using a different strategy. So they did make 10 for their strategy. I'm going to solve using a different strategy, and then I'll explain my strategy choice below. So the strategy I'm going to use is turning this into a subtraction sentence. So 13 minus 6 equals something. We know that something is 7, but equals something. And then, since they did the take from 10 strategy over here, I'm just going to use the count on strategy. And I could do take from 10, but I'll do count on. All right, so I know that I'm trying to get to 13, and I have 6, so I'm going to write 6, and then I'll circle 6, and then I'm going to count on or draw dots until I say 13. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I know I have 5, 6, 7, so 13 minus 6 equals 7. Counting on is just bringing down the number you're taking away and then drawing dots until you say the first number. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so it says, explain your strategy choice below. My reason for choosing this strategy is because they had already done the take from 10 strategy over here. So simple, because take from 10 was already used. All right. And then on the second page, I did the first page for you. Second page, guess what? It's the same exact thing. It's just your turn to give it a try. That looks like an X, but it is a plus sign. So it's your turn to give it a try. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.